各位观众，大家好，欢迎收看本期的中国质量直播间智慧机电，我是节目主持人金丹丹。今天我们非常荣幸邀请到了博斯特亚太地区的总经理 Mr. lngo。
lngo 博士毕业于亚琛工业大学，获得了物理学硕士、机械工程学博士等学位。其职业生涯开启于日本相模原 NEC 的新生培训计划，其后在弗劳恩霍夫激光技术协会度过了4年职业生涯。lngo先生于2000年加入福瑞百集团，2004年被推选为合伙人，现任博斯特亚太地区总经理。
Hello, Mr. lngo.
你好 Good morning.
Welcome to our studio.
Thank you very much.
We know that Positol attended BICES 2015. And how do you feel this exhibition? And by the way, Positol released many new products. Can you give us a brief introduction?
Sure. First, about the BICES exhibition, it's the most important domestic event in China about the construction machinery industry. This event is taking place every 2 years in Beijing. And the construction machinery industry is the most important industry for us in China, and Beijing is also an important area. So we are very happy to be here on the exhibition. This year, compared to 2 years ago, there were significantly less exhibitors and visitors on the exhibition. That was not surprising and is somehow reflecting the difficult economic situation in this industry. However, it was still very important for us to keep in touch with our customers in Beijing area and from this industry. Regarding the new products, there are 2 major additions that we did in the last 2 years. Number one, we significantly increased the range of products within the traditional scope of our products. We made our portfolio much more complete and consistent and systematically filled all the gaps so that today customers can choose from a variety of many 100,000 products on our website with individual data sheets. And this is a significant improvement of our customer service. It is not necessary for customers to contact an expert to find out what we have. They can easily get this information online. The second important addition is that we launched a complete new category of products, incremental encoders. In the past 50 years of the history of our company, we focused on high-end absolute encoders for the top of the market segment. With our latest launch, we are now entering a much wider market with a lot of new applications, opening new opportunities. And we entered the market for incremental encoders with a couple of important innovations. Our products are much more robust than many products on this market. This is specifically important for the construction machinery, where products are being used outdoors in harsh environments. But our products are also more intelligent. They can be programmed with any Wi-Fi enabled device like an iPhone or iPad. You can change the configuration last minute when you do the installation on site. And our products also provide an excellent signal quality.
Yes. Construction industry is one of Positol's major application industries. By the way, are there any other application industries that the products are used in?
Sure. We launched our first products 50 years ago, and we were one of the pioneers in this industry. At that time, products were being designed for the factory automation market. Within factory automation, there are many applications such as material handling, packaging, metalworking, just to mention some examples. Over the 80s and 90s, the products became much more compact and more cost efficient and more easy to use. And due to this fact, it became interesting in some industries like construction machinery or healthcare to replace lower-end sensors with the higher-end rotary encoders that we are manufacturing. So about 15 years ago, a couple of new industries came up. Also at the same time, for example, wind power or solar power industry became relevant. And especially in China with regard to the environmental challenges, these industries will be growing significantly over the next few years. So today we have a very wide range of applications.
In China, what's our native consumers' requirements and how can we meet these local demands?
Okay, good question. Fortunately for us, being a German company, the Chinese technical standards are very similar or equal to the technical standards that we are having in Europe. That makes it relatively easy to use European designs on the Chinese market. However, the installation environment and the training level of the workers is still not on the same level as in Europe. So for the Chinese market, it helps a lot if the products are more robust or more easy to use. And it's also very important to provide a fast and good technical support to help customers doing the design to their machines.
As we all know, German products have a great reputation in the world, but with their increasingly fierce market competition, what's your opinion on how to resolve the contradiction between their products and their cost?
This is a very good question, and in my opinion, cost and quality are not a contradiction, provided that the right production system is in place. And today, it's also not necessary to produce products in the same place where you design them. A good example is iPhone. The iPhone is only designed in California. In fact, it's being manufactured in China, and we all love iPhones, and nobody's thinking about the fact where this product is being produced. We have a similar experience. 10 years ago, we opened a high-tech factory in Poland. In Poland, the labor costs are about 70% cheaper than in Germany. And we are very glad to see that our quality significantly increased since we launched this new factory. And the quality didn't increase because the people behind the border are more clever. The quality increased because we invested into a better production system. We forced ourselves to take the knowledge from the brain of the worker into the process. We partially automated the process. We simplified the different production steps. We increased the quality control and test coverage. And in this way, we could increase the quality significantly while at the same time also decreasing the cost. And most importantly about this production concept, all the knowledge is in a cloud-based IT system. Today, when a production worker is accepting a production job, the worker is getting a tablet computer in his hand, and with this tablet computer is getting all the advice by video and picture instructions without any language, and this video instruction from the tablet is guiding the worker step by step through the production process. As all the knowledge is in the systems, it's very easy to duplicate this production concept also to Asia and to North America. And in the very near future, we also plan to establish factories in Asia and in North America. So in this way, we can not only manage our costs, we can also produce more close to the customer and provide a faster delivery time.
Yes. How does the Positor use the internet to provide clients with their products online, and how can Positor assure the quality of the service?
Thank you very much. The internet has become very important to deliver information and service to our customers. Traditionally in our industry, products are being customized and specifically designed for the individual requirement of certain large OEM customers. In this old traditional approach, it's necessary to bring the expert from the manufacturer to the expert of the customer to talk with each other. But as I explained before, we have significantly widened our product range, so there are now a lot more customers who can use our products. And we cannot be at any place at any point of time. But the internet is providing an amazing opportunities to engineers to check the information at any time, wherever they want to do it. The only difficulty is how can we communicate a huge variety of solutions easily to our customers. For this, we have introduced a unique way to browse this variety of products. And like in a consumer shop, customers can now just click in a product finder on certain requirements that they can easily understand. Yes. And the whole variety of 300,000 solutions step by step is getting smaller, the more requirements they are tick marking. And then they finally end up at the best suitable products. And when they click on it, they are getting an individual data sheet. And the order code is on it. They can get the CAD drawings to start the mechanical design right away. For distributors, we are having a lock-in where they can see the price and the delivery time right away. And next year, we will also be adding a web shop functionality so that the designer can easily get the product once he has selected the most suitable application.
And in the future, in which field will Positrol develop products and technology?
With regard to the construction machinery industry, we have some very amazing ideas how to improve the functional performance of our inclination sensors, making these products less sensitive to the influence of shock and vibration, providing a higher precision, and at the same time making it easier for customers to use that product. Within the range of our standalone encoders, we will also significantly upgrade the performance based on the innovative magnetic technology that we launched 10 years ago. But the most important technology addition that we will do in the next 12 months is that we will launch a new category of products. We will use that magnetic technology to launch kit solutions that can be directly integrated to robots and to motors. And especially in China, the robotic market is expected to grow significantly. And based on these very compact and very cost-efficient, though high-performing products, motor manufacturers can design a new range of motors, and that's a very exciting opportunity for us.
The first industrial revolution brought mechanization using water and steam power, followed by the second, which introduced mass production driven by electricity. Next was the digital revolution, introducing the use of IT to further automate production. Now, we are at the brink of the fourth industrial revolution, which will bring the fusion of automation and digitalization.
3 years ago, Germany put forward the Industry 4.0 standard, and as a typical German industry enterprise, what's your standpoint about the potential opportunities and challenges under this circumstance?
Okay. Industry 4.0 is a very popular buzzword today, and it has created a great marketing hype around the world. For us, it is much more than that. For us, it is reality, and the reality started 10 years ago. I told you about the high-tech factory that we started, where the workers are getting information from a cloud-based IT system. Everything, the whole knowledge of the company is stored in a database in the cloud. Our designers, our factory, our distributors, our customers are all connected to that database. Our website is getting online data from our ERP system that distributors can use to see the delivery time right away. So everybody is connected to the cloud, and once our designers are updating something in the database, automatically the factory is updated and also the customers can see it right away. We also use the internet to provide new services to our distributors. Our products, as mentioned before, can now be configured on site easily, and we keep track of these configuration data over the whole life cycle of the products by transmitting the data back through the internet to our ERP server. Furthermore, as we have everything in a well-managed database, it's easy to connect these data also to online portals such as Amazon.com or Misomi or RS Components, where customers can easily choose and get the products. Yes. So this digitization has started in our company very early, 10 years ago, and on the internet we are continuously investing in this direction.
And we know that Positrol established its first office in China in June, and it became the Positrol Service and Products Center in China. And would you please talk about the Positrol's future development in China?
Okay. Our company is a specialist. Even though we have about 1 million solutions, still our portfolio is a niche portfolio. So we cannot be in every major town of the world. For us, it is very important to have very strong and experienced distributors around the world. And we also have a network of experienced distributors in China. But with a growing business, also we need to provide better support and more support to the customers. And this support requires to visit customers personally, but it also requires to provide more content on our website. Next year, we will also launch an online help desk that we will operate 24 hours for our customers. We will establish a couple of new online business channels in China. All this is requiring resources. And the Chinese market has specific demands, especially when it comes to e-commerce and online marketing. And China is also a huge country, so the distances are very long. This is why we decided to hire more resources for the Chinese market, and this is why we established that legal entity.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ingo. From this meeting, we now know more about Positrol.
Okay.
Thank you for your time.
谢谢你. Thank you very much.
好的，本期的中国质量直播间智慧机电就到这里，感谢您的收看。获取更多资讯，您可以扫描我们屏幕下方的二维码。我们下期节目再见。